This 2026 NuCamp Tab 320 LITE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 15 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 2, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, refrigerator, microwave, LP detector, and 19 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Tab 320 LITE is 2,146 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.